Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week update here on the Tiger website. This is Wednesday, October 30th. I'm a little behind on updating the website for this week, but do have some things going on here, and want to recognize some clubs and activities that are taking place, and just kind of keep everybody up to speed of what's going on. Would like to wish our Lady Tiger volleyball team good luck tonight as they play in the semifinals of the third region tournament. That is at Hancock County High School. Lady Tigers tonight are playing Apollo at 6 o'clock. I'd like to wish them good luck. They defeated Whitesville Trinity Monday night in the first round of the third region tournament. So tonight against Apollo, if they are fortunate enough to win, they'll be playing tomorrow night at 7 o'clock at Hancock County High School, is where the region is hosted. Tomorrow is Halloween, and our FCCLA will be having their annual pumpkin patch here at the high school from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. It is here at the high school in our hallways, so it's supposed to be a nasty evening tomorrow. So if you are running short on things, places to go, come out and visit our high school, and our kids put a nice event together there, and with the help of Miss McMahon, the club sponsor, they do a great job. So come on out and bring your kids out here to let them go down the halls and get lots of candy. Wish our Fine Tiger football team good luck Friday nights. They'll be traveling to Hancock County for the last game of the season. And that is Friday, November 1st. It's at 7 o'clock at Hancock County High School. Just a couple other events that are coming up as the next couple of weeks go on. Not necessarily happening next week, but just in the next couple of weeks. Our midterm will end on November the 15th, so we got 2 more weeks of this 9 weeks. Will be our midterm point of the second 9 weeks. Our BCHS cheerleaders will be having their regional competition on November 9th. That's Saturday. Our dance team will be having their regionals on Saturday, November the 16th at Muhlenberg County High School. And our senior dinner dance will be on Saturday, November the 23rd. Those are all the events that are taking place here in the next couple of weeks. So I will leave you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone work really hard. Have a great day and be a champion.